Unquestionably, one of the best platforms for video producers is YouTube. However, some YouTubers have frequently encountered deadly peril to provide video material for their audience. The consequences of such instances, whether they were premeditated pranks or accidents, can have a profound impact on the victims. YouTubers who were the victims of similar situations even had to deal with the legal repercussions of their behavior. These situations typically occur when a producer attempts to produce original video content or viral material to establish their channel as a success. In this video, we'll talk about 5 YouTubers who broke the law and lost all their internet fame. Number 5. Alan and Alex Stokes. The twin presenters Alan and Alex Stokes are well known for their YouTube channel, which features a variety of prank films. The pair's attempt to pull off a bank heist hoax, however, it came at a high cost. In addition to risking legal repercussions, the twins endangered the life of an innocent cab driver who was thought to be an accomplice. To make up for their error, the twins ultimately received several hours of community service. The brothers, both 23 years old, were accused in August of last year. Both were given sentences that included 160 hours of community service, 1 year of probation, and having to make amends. Number 4. Daniel Silva. Daniel Silva, a well-known tattoo artist, and YouTuber 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐤 previously caught up in a terrifying vehicle accident. The tattoo artist lost control of his vehicle while driving with his friend and fellow YouTuber 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐤 after drinking too much. Daniel's car struck a tree and a street sign. Corey's mishap proved to be fatal since, despite being taken to the hospital right after, he passed away. He was convicted in a fatal vehicle accident that killed YouTube star 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐤 and received a sentence of 364 days in county jail, 250 hours of community service, and 5 years of probation. Number 3. Mona Lisa Perez. YouTubers Pedro Ruiz, 22, and his Minnesota-based girlfriend Perez started producing their own content for the La Mona Lisa channel back in March. They characterize their channel as the genuine life of a young couple who happen to be teen parents, under the About section. The majority of the couple's YouTube videos are daily vlogs and straightforward practical jokes that they play on one another. Pranks include placing baby powder in place of icing sugar on a donut and stuffing hot chili into each other's sandwiches. Mona Lisa Perez accidentally killed her boyfriend Pedro Ruiz during a stunt that was meant to be amusing. Pedro was instructed to support his chest with a hardcover book as Mona Lisa fired a .50 caliber Desert Eagle revolver. The hardback dictionary wasn't sufficiently covered, though, as the bullet wound up in Pedro's chest. Pedro did not make it through the emergency call that Mona Lisa made right away. Due to this disastrous stunt, Mona Lisa received a 6-month jail term. Number 2. Matthew Wayne. Matthew Wayne, 31, expressed his desire for Birmingham City Hospital's NHS workers to die of coronavirus after recently receiving treatment there. Wayne had acknowledged publishing the grossly insulting video on March 29. He allegedly felt treated unfairly towards the beginning of the lockdown, according to testimony presented at Birmingham Magistrates Court. YouTuber Matthew Wayne used several other bad expressions when going off about how Birmingham City Hospital treated him. In Matthew's video, he made several frightening remarks, such as threatening to bomb the hospital and expressing the wish that medical personnel would contract the illness. Law enforcement officials eventually discovered the footage, and Matthew was taken into custody. The YouTuber received a heavy fine in addition to a 12-week prison sentence. Number 1. Ryan Stone. 28 years old Ryan Stone suspect detained for carjacking and kidnapping. A man who stole a car with a 4-year-old boy outside a gas station in Longmont this morning, carjacked 2 other cars, collided with a vehicle, and then fled was the subject of a multi-jurisdictional police investigation. He was eventually apprehended by Douglas County Sheriff's deputies at Peoria and Lincoln in Douglas County. The driver struck half a dozen automobiles during the hour-long chase around the metro area, as well as a Colorado state trooper who was standing outside his cruiser setting up stop sticks for traffic. The soldier was severely hurt and is currently being treated at a local hospital. Ryan Stone, who is not a YouTuber, intended to make money by copyright striking all of the videos that included his lengthy, 90-minute vehicle pursuit. Before being apprehended by the police, Ryan stole a total of 3 cars and totaled 2 of them. Before being apprehended, Ryan did manage to seriously hurt a state trooper named Bellamon He, who attempted to apprehend the offender by using stop sticks to deflate the arteries of his car. Ryan was ultimately given a 160-year prison term, so he was never allowed to copyright strike any of the videos in which he appeared. That's it for today. If you liked the video, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.